Hi, my name is Joshua, and today, I'll tell you everything you need to know about Kerafen before actually buying the product. I also have really important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about Kerafen supplement is, be careful with the website you're going to buy, because this product is only sold on the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website down below in the description of this video and also fixed in the comments. So what is Kerafen and does it actually work? And the answer is yes, really works. This toenail health formula is very effective because it works on the underlying cause of toenail fungus. Kerafen solution has potent oils, skin-repairing vitamins, and other natural ingredients to nourish, treat, and strengthen the nails. This formula is available as an easy-to-use serum, which helps release the ingredients as tiny particles to get deep under the skin and nails. It fights the fungus that causes infection in the toenails and supports healthy and strong nails. The calming and soothing properties of this formula help have a better nail appearance. This doctor-formulated serum works to kill the fungus and restore the health of nails. Also, the Kerafen formula is free of GMOs, toxins, and stimulants, which makes it easy to use as it won't cause any side effects, irritation, or allergies. This nail-strengthening formula works for everyone regardless of age, and its clinically proven ingredients provide faster and lasting results. Thousands of people have already had incredible results with Kerafen. I invite you to see some real testimonials on the official product page. For best results, the recommended is the purchase of at least 3 bottles. My personal recommendation is the purchase of 6 bottles, which comes with a big discount. Do not lose more money with expensive procedures and products that do not give any results. Make a test with Kerafen and see the fastest and easiest results of your life. Remember that buying on the official website below, you will have 60 days to use Kerafen 100% safely, without risks. Thank you for watching this video to the end, and if you still have questions, the best place to understand more about is on the official page. Click the link below.